Cross-drilling is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves drilling holes through a material at an angle perpendicular to the surface. This process is commonly used in the production of engine components, such as pistons and connecting rods, as well as in the manufacturing of aerospace and defense components. Cross-drilling is a precision process that requires specialized equipment and skilled technicians to ensure accuracy and consistency. The cross-drilling process involves the use of a drill bit that is angled to create a hole that intersects with another hole at a perpendicular angle. This creates a channel through the material that allows for the passage of fluids or gases. The process is often used in the production of engine components to improve cooling and lubrication, which can increase performance and extend the life of the engine. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom-engineered components for a variety of industries, including aerospace, defense, and automotive. The company offers a range of services, including cross-drilling, to meet the unique needs of its customers. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to provide high-quality cross-drilling services that meet the strictest standards of precision and accuracy. If you are interested in learning more about cross-drilling and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is here to help. The company's team of experts can provide guidance and support to help you determine the best approach for your specific needs. To learn more, visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website and fill out the form to request more information. A member of the team will be in touch to discuss your needs and provide a customized solution that meets your requirements. FAQs. 1. What is cross-drilling in manufacturing? Cross-drilling is a machining process that involves drilling holes at an angle through a workpiece. This technique is commonly used in manufacturing to create holes that intersect with other holes or features in the workpiece. 2. What are the benefits of cross-drilling in manufacturing? Cross-drilling can provide several benefits in manufacturing, including improved part strength, reduced weight, and enhanced cooling or lubrication. By intersecting holes, cross-drilling can create a stronger and more rigid part, while also reducing its overall weight. Additionally, cross-drilling can be used to create channels for cooling or lubrication fluids, which can help to improve the performance and longevity of the part. 3. What are some common applications of cross-drilling in manufacturing? Cross-drilling is used in a wide range of manufacturing applications, including aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing. In aerospace, cross-drilling is often used to create cooling channels in turbine blades and other high-temperature components. In automotive manufacturing, cross-drilling can be used to improve the performance of brake rotors by increasing their cooling capacity. In medical device manufacturing, cross-drilling can be used to create channels for fluid flow in surgical instruments and implants. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.